Yep.
68.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, this is beam C68. And what he's doing here is he's cutting off the 4 intact bolts in the bottom end of this box beam. So if you go around to the other side now. Okay. These here are the 4 important bolts.
This is N8. Looks like from the thickness of the steel it was somewhere in the 70s or 80s as far as floors. And we're going to take some samples off of here and off of the web there because they may be different types of material. Yep. And then if somebody wants to put a piece of a note with the sample in here in one of these guys.
We think we've been down here all morning not doing nothing?
Hey, man.
Piece here was taken off the flange end of N8, tree N8. So we'll be doing metallography on this piece. Right there. Okay, this is a piece off the box end of N8 tree. We've cut from the flange coming out right here. This is the piece itself that we'll be doing for metallurgical analysis.
We're going to wind up taking an end here, probably an end off the other side, the third column. Yeah. This piece for metallurgical analysis. It's got some interesting pressure in the weld down here. We're going to take a piece off of here because this material might be different than this. And over here on the flange, we're going to take material off because this is different from the base metal also. So we're going to see what this is, and what this is.
Okay, so we're going to cut this piece off here. Again, this is off of N-8. This is the middle column at the bottom. We're going to cut this off here. That's going to the boulder, gentlemen.
There you go.
Okay, this is N-8 again. What we're looking at here is the left column. This is the bottom end. We're going to cut off this piece for metallurgical analysis here. Off of the bottom flange, we're going to cut off a corner here for metallurgical analysis. Also off the bottom flange, we'll be cutting off another corner of the flange right here, and this corner as well for metallurgical analysis.
Well, I can't be here all day. I think that, you know, a piece out of, I think we wanted one piece.
Opposite from what's interesting.
This is M8.
Okay, this is again N8. It's the left column at the bottom. We're taking a piece of this box end off of here. It's about 2 inches long.
Loud.
Okay, this is off N8. This is off the left column here, the bottom flange. I'll be removing a piece from this corner right here for metallurgical analysis. Also, we'll be removing a piece off this portion of the flange right here for metallurgical analysis. And also either one of these two corners right here, whichever we can take off for metallurgical analysis.
Narrate.
Okay, this is off of N8. We scrapped going from the left column. This is what we initially were going to do, but it'll be much easier for us to take it from the right column here, so it's in the same area, just on the opposite side. We'll be removing a piece from this flange here. We'll be removing a piece from this part of the flange here. We'll be removing a piece of this part of the flange from here. So it'll be 3 pieces that I remove from the flange of N8, the right column, and the bottom portion.
Office section of M9, although it also has a number N11 on it. The identification we're using is M9. It's a section that's peeled off with a large weld section. Section M9 over here, which appears to be a section with a submerged arc weld. And we're going to be looking at the combination of the 1/4 inch thickness on the what appears to be the flange and analyzing the weld. This section is going to boulder.
Documented. People need to know what it looks like.
And partially submerged arc weld.
Okay, I need.
Put this in our suitcase.
M9.
The M9 is identification.
Trying to figure out this is the inside or the outside. This is the outside. Okay. Flange, top, left, M9. Yes.
How much do they want? A piece like that.
Wait till we get done then.
Hold on a second.
1 second.
That's not good.
Nice and loud.
We're looking at N8 again. This is the middle column. This is a piece that we've removed from the flange of the I-beam that will be sent to Boulder.
One minute.
And there it goes.
8. We're on the right column here at the very bottom. Looking at the flange, we've taken some pieces off of the flange here. We have this piece right here that was coming off of this flange. We have another piece that was welded to the flange here that we've taken off. We're also taking a piece off of this part of the flange here. And they're all going to be used for metallographic analysis.
So this is N3, and we're going to cut some pieces off of the, what are they calling these connecting pieces between the columns again?
Spandrel.
The spandrel, and a few pieces off the box beam itself. This is just a fragment of one box beam.
So now, one thing that I've noticed so far is that the pieces that we've taken,
Yeah.
if we look at the box beam, now, assuming that all 4 pieces are on the outside,
Box beams remain.
man, that steams me. There's a lot of teeth too.
Cold down.
Well,
Anyone wants to narrate while the wind's not blowing?
Come on, the voice. Get going there, Steve. Narration.
this is off of N3.1. This is a panel to the box beam. We're not sure exactly where this is located, if it's at the top or the bottom, but hopefully we'll find out.
I'll go back. This all into the work for you.
Narrate?
This is the flange from N3. We're not sure where this is from. It's from the top or the bottom, or if it's from the left or the right column. It's definitely not the middle column though. And we know that because of the markings on the flange.
Alright, we're done with N3.
K1?
Yeah, K1.
All right, we're looking here at very mangled K1 that NIST has designated. The flange, it looks like this part right here is the middle column. We can tell that because on the inside of the flange here, there's only one piece, whereas for the other ones, it has 4 pieces on there. So this is from the middle column here. We're looking at the inside, looking from the inside of the building out. I'll be removing pieces from here for metallurgical analysis. That's the flange for the spandrel.
Give Steve's jellified arms a rest.
I'll show you a good picture of this. That's crazy.
Go.
This is a floor mounting flange on the spandrel on part K1. We're going to take a sample of it. Floor hangs below it. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, this is a part of the base metal for the box beam for K1.
Okay, you have to yell.
Hold on, we gotta figure out where to take it.
I'm ready.
Okay, this here is a part of N4. What we're gonna do is that this is the middle column. We're able to tell from the back side, although we have no idea of the height of it. We're gonna remove a piece from the flange here for the base material of the column, as well as remove a piece of the spandrel right here for metallurgical analysis. This is N4.
Now it says
What do we have on K1 altogether?
today is April 11th,
K1.
approximately
I
2 o'clock in
think
the
that should be
afternoon.
it.
Just those two?
Talk a little louder.
We're cutting on section K1. We are looking at a cut made on the lower outside. Let's see, was it the bottom, the outside, the left hand column of a set of 3 columns. We're going to move over. Pan out. Now we're going to move over, looking along the bottom side of the set of beams to the center column. This is the center column of K1, and we're looking at a cut on the lower outside of the middle of K1.
Low one outside, ball one.